Hello, welcome to Bill Plain Motorsports YouTube channel. Today we are going to check out a very special limited edition Triumph motorcycle, the Bonneville Bobber TFC. There are only 750 of these worldwide, and what makes it special, you have to be one of the 750 to own to get the parts that make this bike special. So if you have a bobber and you see parts on here that you want, well, you need to come out and buy this bike, and then you can put whatever parts off this bike to yours, or just keep this one truly special. They've added some extra pieces on this, including the tank and the paint job of the tank. As you can see, it's a very nice sparkly metallic black paint job with the special gold stripe going along the tank. It's almost kind of like it's a gold leaf. You have the Bobber TFC up on the tank, and then that triangle badge with the gold highlight around it is all kind of unique to the TFC models. This bike comes with some extra pieces that don't come standard on a bobber, like it's got the Olin front forks, the nice upgraded Brembo calipers. It's the 19-inch wheel with the smaller tire than what the other bobbers have been coming with the last couple of years, with a little bit smaller rim with a little bit bigger, fatter tire. And then you get some extra carbon fiber pieces. As you can see, the front fender is held on by these carbon fiber fender stays. You get this carbon fiber side panel on both of them. It says Triumph Factory Custom. That's what TFC stands for. You have your Akrapovic exhaust, and you get the nice heel guards in the carbon fiber, along with the carbon fiber tips on the mufflers. You get a nice gold chain. Another thing that's kind of unique on this bike, bobbers typically come in a jet black front and rear fender. As you can see, there is a nice metallic in this front fender. Also, the taillights, there isn't one. It has the multifunction blinkers. So these blinkers are nice and bright. They work as blinkers and your tail light, so they call it a multifunction. You also get this nice leather statement seat. Overall, comfort level seems to be improved on the seat a little bit from what I can remember on the last statement seat I've sat on. And then a really neat one that's kind of tucked in here. The rear shock is actually an Öhlins. As you can see, right there's the Öhlins symbol. So you don't see too many bobbers coming with an Öhlins. The upgraded rear shock that we offer for the bobbers typically is a Fox. So it was kind of cool to see an Öhlins rear shock, not too common with your bobbers. Take a little bit better look on this tank. And then every single one of them is numbered. As you see, this is number 253 out of 750, and that 750 is a worldwide number. They are only making 750 of this version of this bike, no more, no less, and they will never make one like this one again. You get the TFC in the up in the speedometer. You get the nice black levers, your radial style brake caliper, or master cylinder, sorry. Get your LED accents in the lights. Again, LED blinkers. The nice Metzler tires. So this is your 1200cc motor, 6-speed transmission. You do get 3 rider modes with this bike, Rain, Road, and Sport, all at that push of a button there at the mode. You have ABS, you have traction control, so you have all the safety features that way. This bike just looks absolutely amazing. And what's really cool, again, you buy this bike, you know that this is a very limited number of these bikes out there, and it is an absolute showstopper. You can leave it exactly how it is, and you might even be able to enter it in some bike contests possibly, and possibly win some stuff, who knows. But it is absolutely a fantastic looking motorbike. So much fun to ride. Amazing handling. So let me know in the comments what you think of the Triumph Factory Custom. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. You have an amazing day. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll be showing you more stuff again soon. Have an amazing day.